Hello everyone, we are here at Formnext presenting the HP Metal Jet Materials expansion. Here in my bag you can find the wall with all materials that has been classified as certified, qualified and compatible. In the certified materials you will find the stainless steel qualified by HP Additive Manufacturing, while in the qualified materials you will find those which has been developed by our partners. Examples are the Indomim, Sandvik and Lego. Especially we want to mention those which are new today, for copper with the production via GKN and together with the silver, which has been qualified by Legor. In addition, in our left, we have the compatible materials coming with new ones as nickel-based superalloys with the 625 and the 718 from Indomim, together with the 247 and the 718 from Continuum. Here, it is especially important to mention how we are boosting on productivity of those nickel-based superalloys in addition of enabling those non-weldable materials through PVF. So here with a sinter-based additive manufacturing technique as binder jet with S100, we'll be able to get high-quality parts with good robustness and with good throughput. Also important to mention that here in the booth we have hard metal materials with tungsten carbide cobalt with a special partnership with Hyperion. All this has been developed and accelerated thanks to our ecosystem, which is composed with CMs, powder suppliers, and of course with R&D tech centers as Tecnalia and others that have been supporting the development of the new materials.